Welcome to Pet Daily, your ultimate guide to all things pets. Let's talk about how to stop your cat and dog from fighting in the same house. But before we get started, don't forget to like our video, share our content with your fellow pet parents, and subscribe to the latest updates. If you can't decide whether you like cats or dogs more, you can keep both. Whilst most people think that both pets in the same house can cause war and destruction, it's always the case. In fact, cats and dogs can be happy for each other for a long time, and if they are brought up in the right environment with these 5 tips in mind. Tip number 1. Consider their personality. Regardless of breed, an aggressive dog is less likely to get along with a skittish cat. Similarly, an elderly dog will hate living with a noisy cat. So it's better to know more about their personality before introducing them. If you do end up with a mismatch of personalities, you can consider assigning a space for both of them and keeping them separated until hopefully they get used to each other. Tip number 2. Exercise and train your dog. When you have a hyperactive dog, it is important to teach them how to control their impulses, especially if you want them to bond with your cat. Dogs need plenty of exercise and mental stimulation to help release energy somewhere other than when they are around the feline. So a good training session, playtime with you, or their favorite toys can be even better than a simple walk around the park. Tip number 3. Plan their introduction. Since animals learn through association, the introduction can be simply about getting used to each other's scent first, with a little help from their favorite food. Giving them space by using a barrier during mealtime will help them safely associate food with the other's scent. So when the barrier is gradually removed, they are both sharing a positive experience and getting used to each other. Tip number 4. Separate their food and toys. Even after they are comfortable around each other, you can't expect them not to feel territorial about their food or toys. To avoid having your pets live up to the old saying, fighting like cats and dogs, keep their toys separate and feed them at a scheduled time in their designated spots. Avoid feeding them from your own plate at random times if you don't want to spark another war of jealousy. Tip number 5. Consider puppies and kittens. Introducing your pet at a young age is the best shot at building a healthy bond. Puppies are easier to train and are less likely to intimidate your baby feline. This helps your cat assume its natural power in the hierarchy and allows for a smoother transition into adulthood together. You may still need to keep an eye on both your pets during their teenage years. There is ultimately nothing more heartwarming and entertaining for a pet owner to see their pets living in harmony. Do you have a cat and dog living together? Tell us your story in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Join the Pet Daily community and stay tuned for more.